In a world consumed by consumerism, repairing and upcycling have emerged as sustainable and economical alternatives to our throwaway culture. By embracing these practices, we can reduce waste, save money, and contribute to a greener planet. Repairing and upcycling can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Instead of buying new items, you can learn how to fix and repurpose existing ones, allowing you to allocate your budget more effectively. With the rise of electronics in our lives, understanding how to repair them can be invaluable. Basic troubleshooting, replacing parts, and seeking professional repair services can help extend the lifespan of gadgets, reducing electronic waste.
Learning basic repair skills, such as sewing, woodworking, and electronics, can empower you to fix a wide range of items. Online tutorials, community workshops, and repair cafes are excellent resources for acquiring these skills. What is upcycling? Upcycling involves transforming old or discarded items into something new and useful. By upcycling, you can create unique, personalized items while reducing waste. Seek inspiration from online platforms, attend workshops, or join local upcycling communities to learn and share ideas.
Begin with simple repair projects or upcycling ideas to build confidence and hone your skills. As you gain experience, you can take on more complex endeavors.
Upcycling ideas. Explore various upcycling ideas, such as turning glass jars into storage containers, transforming old t-shirts into reusable bags, or repurposing wooden pallets into furniture. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination.
So you are in front of the barn of Suderbin, and the lower floor it's the workshop. So let's go in. So basically in the workshop we have some tools and we store also some construction materials. So we have a lot of wood, plank, and piece of wood, stick, everything to work with wood, to make furniture, to fix, a lot of things like that. And so on this side you have all the metal piece. So it's mainly reused materials. So it's something that we had before with a lot of years of Suderbin. We collect a lot of pieces of metal. It's also it's a lot of material second hand, and you have different area. So with screw, nails, you have some glue, you have the power tools. And yeah, so basically it's on this table we work mainly. We try to don't consume too much. So it means that when we have tools or appliances or whatever broken, we need to fix it, at least we try. So it's why we have this workshop with all these tools. And like that we can save money. Big machine, table machine, so that it's a circular saw. What else? We have also, here we have this part, it's dedicated for mechanic, So we have a lot of products to maintain the car we have. Yeah, more table saw, wood turning. Yeah. Here it's electric workshop, so it's where we fix some electric tools or appliances. So here it's you have a full of a shelf need to be fixed. Yeah, so when we need to be a bit more precise, or when to do, we need to work with electronic piece, we use that. So yeah. The cost of this nursery was zero, except maybe for the screw and for the hardware. But mainly it's reused materials. So, so it's material we had. We had a stock of this metal, but as you can see, it was already used before in the past, and we got it for free. And with this material, we make a new nursery, so the need for the garden. So white metal to keep the warm, and inside it's made mainly with pallets. So the same pallets. A lot of companies use pallets to move and to transport some stuff, and us we take them to build. So we make, you can film if you want inside. So yeah, with nothing we can do a lot. So
Clothing is a common item that can benefit from repair. Learning basic sewing techniques like replacing buttons or fixing zipper or stitching up holes can really expand a lifespan of your clothes.